Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over. Remove the stylus. And remove two 5mm screws and 11 7mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest, and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape covering the battery plug, and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Peel back the clear tape, and lift the battery off its post to remove. Flip the unit over, open it up, there are spring-loaded tabs in the palm rest that keep the keyboard in place. Insert the spudger between the keyboard and the palm rest, and slide it along the edges to push those tabs in and pry the keyboard free. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the keyboard cable from the motherboard. Plug the keyboard cable back into the motherboard. Slide the keyboard back into place, and push down to secure it to the palm rest. Replace the battery back onto its posts. Reapply the tape. And plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the two 5mm screws and 11 7mm screws in the bottom cover. And finally, replace the stylus.